Spark 850 Bike Headlight Product Tutorial Video. T-slot mount. Power button. Type-C charging. 850LM bike light. Spark 850 is designed for hanging-only cut-off line lighting. Press the power button for 1 second to turn on or off. Short press the power button to switch the headlight modes. Long press for 2 seconds to activate strobe mode. Open the waterproof plug cover at the bottom of the device and insert the Type-C charging cable. A flashing red light indicates charging, while a solid blue light means fully charged. Attach the hanging base to the bike computer mount. Please note, bike computer mount is not included with this product. Connect the light to the bracket via T-slot mount.